I did this fun cut crease tutorial where I mix warm, colorful shades with neutral shades. Keep watching if you want to see how it's done. My lips are chapped, hold on. Okay, all better. I'm just gonna go right in there with my finger, F it. Thank God. These Morphe palettes don't have a mirror on top, so that it causes a weird reflection if it does, and then you see my ring light, and it just ain't cute. Alright, anyways, first on my eyeshadow list is this tannish brown color. I can never keep my hair in place when doing my makeup. This is what I do. Let it go, lose control like you're on a ride. I'm just trying to make sure that the eyeshadow is even. It ends at the same point because you want an even look. Alright, so now we're going to blend out this tan brown color with this bright yellow right here. Free your mind, let me free your mind. Give it up, never stop, don't be scared of high. We really want the yellow to pop, that's why I'm going in again and again with this yellow. Let me free your mind, let me free your mind. Let me free. I'm just laying down where the eyeshadow is going, and then obviously we're gonna blend out this tan again like we did before. So next we're using G Money right here. Let me tell you, I am obsessed with this color. It looks like the color of caramel and I want to eat it. Let me free your mind. For a second I thought I wasn't recording. I was about to get pissed. Come and get it with me. I know you deserve. So now we're just gonna blend the two browns together where they meet. Your heart's made of gold, but don't wait till you. So next we're gonna blend out G Money with this shade right here. It's a bright orange. If you want it, I'll get you some. Feel your body. With these colors too that I'm blending, I'm gonna also have to go back in with G Money just to darken it up again because it has lost its pigment, which is normal when you blend eyeshadows together. Oh shit. I just grabbed the wrong color. I need more coffee. Don't worry, it didn't go on my eyelid yet. I'm gonna be honest with you all. I'm not particularly happy with how the light tan brown color turned out. This right here. I was hoping for it to be darker, so let's fix it. I'm going to layer a darker brown over it. I went a little too high on this side right here, which happens. You can fix it, so I'm just using some concealer to fix it. So like I was mentioning, we're gonna pick up this dark brown color, where is it? Right here. And we're gonna darken up that tan color. Yeah, this is what it needed. The tan was just not dark enough. Yes, this is blending into the yellow perfectly. Good move. So we're gonna darken up G Money with Crazy. It's right here. Up the lines of my cut crease because I need to go a little bit higher since I have hooded eyes. So we cut our crease with some concealer. Next step. So now we're gonna put this color, it's like a creamy white, on top of our concealer. Now I'm blending out the edge of my cut crease with the same orange that I used. Never stop, don't be scared of heights. Let me free your mind. blush line, we're using the same exact colors that we used on top. I think we need a little shine. So we're gonna add this gold to our inner corner. For this gold eyeshadow, you definitely have to pick up a lot of it for it to show. So here's our final look. I'm really happy with how it came out.